What's going on, everybody? The Germ here, and welcome to Busch Gardens, Tampa, Florida. I'm super excited to be here. We're doing a bunch of roller coasters here. This is our last big park while here in Florida, so we're super excited, but there's much ahead, a lot more going on, so stay tuned. This is going to be a multi-part video. Here is our first coaster up, Cheetah Hunt. This is one of my favorites here.
So they know which way they're running, when they need to turn. We have the pulleys that go into the ground. Today we are focusing on speed with Cheetah. And the best way we're going to achieve that speed is by having those.
This is not my first visit to the park. I actually visited the park back in 2020 with Jenna. And when I came here, this was probably my favorite coaster. There's a lot of good ones here and a lot of very unique rides. So I got some facts about Cheetah Hunt. This was built in 2011, 60 miles an hour is the top speed. It's got 3 LSM launches, so it launches off real quick. It slows down, then launches, which is really awesome. The 3 launches are 30 miles an hour, 60 miles an hour, and 40 miles an hour. 102 feet tall, and it's got a long track length. It's actually the longest track length in the park of 4,400 feet. Long ride too, 3 minutes and 30 seconds, so that's a pretty good long ride. First row, we're up next, we're so close. I can't wait to go on this one. I'm going to bring you guys with us tonight. Here's our first launch, nice easy one, 30 miles an hour. Oh, that was 30. Going very slow. This is 60. That was 60 miles an hour. Look at this. I love this, like a pretzel. There's our last one, 40 miles an hour. This is gonna be 40 miles an hour. You guys ready? Last launch. Oh, look how cool that looks. That wasn't the launch. It's like a cheetah. This is the 40 mile an hour launch. Whoa! That was amazing. Still my favorite coaster at Busch Gardens. It's still only the first one, but it was awesome. It's crazy. All the little turns that it makes and the landscaping, you go through the water. There's that one roll and all the launches. Makes it a fantastic coaster. If you come here, I recommend going on this one first so you don't miss out on going on it. Glad we went on Cheetah Hunt because the wait time now is 105 minutes. That went up quick. So we got 2 over here we could go to. We got Montu and we got Cobra's Curse, or Curse of the Cobra. I think it was Cobra's Curse. So we're gonna go over to Montu because Montu has a 25-minute wait, and Cobra's Curse I think was 45 minutes. So we're gonna go to the one that has a little bit shorter of a line first. Here's Cobra's Curse. We're gonna skip this one down to 60 minutes. We're gonna walk over to Montu. I don't remember if I rode this one the last time I was here, but we're certainly going to be riding it today. Next up is Montu. Said 25-minute wait. Looks like it's actually a walk-on. That's crazy. This one was built in 1996 by B&M. 150 feet tall. It's a floorless coaster, which means your legs are going to hang. And it's about, got a track almost 4,000 feet. All right, let's go on this one. This is going to be awesome. The locker situation. They do require lockers here. and $10 all day. Not a bad deal. This is not a 25-minute wait. Look at this. Walk on. Front row. Looks like they're running at least 2 trains, so it's making the line go really fast. 4 riders sit across, and let's see what the ride time is. On Montu, 3 minutes. So that's a pretty lengthy ride. Here we go up the hill, guys.
I hate it.
B&M coaster, built in '96, about a 3-minute ride. It's gonna be my second time riding.
Oh boy. We're almost there. Yes, we are.
And here's the end of the chain lift. Here we go. All right. Very intense for an older coaster. 28 years old, 1996, that's 28 years ago, right? 2024? Holy smokes. But I gotta say, very smooth ride. Tracks are very smooth. Rode it twice, once towards the middle, once in the first row, and first row, those views, man, you gotta see the views because you go under the ground, which makes it incredible. It's lunchtime, we had to actually get on an elevator to go to this pizza place, Oasis Pizza. Went in an amusement park up a elevator to go find a place to eat. Oh, there's other places to enter with stairs, but different spots, different spot. All right, let's go check out Oasis Pizza. It's over by Cheetah Hunt. Here is the menu for Oasis Pizza. I think we're gonna get a couple little pies here. We have buffalo chicken, pepperoni, margarita or cheese. $15.49 a piece, $33.30. I wish I saw this deal up here. This is exactly what we got, 2 pepperoni pizzas, and we paid almost that price. And for a couple dollars more, I think $4 or $5 more, we could have got 2 drinks as well. Here's the pizza pie, the homemade pizza pie. Hopefully it's good. Let's give this a try. It's very hot. That wasn't the best bite. It is a flatbread. Let's see if we get the little pepperoni in there. It's all right. I wish, after I saw it after I ordered, I wish I got the margarita. That would have been good. I love the tomatoes on the pie. Let me know what your favorite kind of pizza is in the comments. I like the margarita. They're the best. Looks like I'm not the only one that wanted to try the pizza. This guy's waiting for him to turn his head so he can have some pizza too. Oh, he's thinking about it. He's thinking about it. He's not doing a very good deal. Very good at chewing them off. That was pretty delicious. Oasis Pizza, not too bad. It definitely hit the spot. They're gonna go back to rides. We're gonna go on the ride that I dread the most. It's a roller coaster that spins, which I don't do very good at spinning things. And I just ate. Probably not the two best combinations is spinning and eating. Oh, all right, we're gonna give it a shot. We're gonna go over to Cobra's Curse. You guys been watching long enough, you guys know I love these crushed pennies. Which one do you guys think I'm gonna get? 1, 2, 3, or 4? Put your guess below. Do it now, right now. All right, so this is all lined up and ready to go. We're gonna put the dollar in. Oh no. Oh, never mind. This is a cashless park. So a lot of things here don't take cash. Let's see if maybe this machine won't take my cash either. Nope. This thing was like, yeah, I'll take, nope, never mind. Let's try it again. Let's see if it, there you go. Get in there, go in your home. All right, we selected our pattern and there it is. That's the one we're going with. All right, let's go. Try to turn, there we go. It's getting harder. And come on, shoot out any second. Yeah, we got nothing. Oh, there it goes. Nice. It's a good one. I've been slowly collecting crushed pennies for a long time now. When I go somewhere, I see something cool or interesting, I go ahead and grab it. I thought that Cheetah Hunt one was pretty cool, so I went ahead and grabbed that. It's funny, I noticed a lot of the machines now, you don't even have to put pennies in anymore. You just put the dollar in and it provides the penny, which is nice. And so far, all the pennies have been shiny pennies. So that's important, especially in a cashless park, because if it took quarters and you had to go up and ask for quarters, nobody's gonna have quarters to give you, and they're not gonna have pennies either. So it's nice that you just put a dollar in, now you don't even have to put the penny in anymore. Pretty cool. And some of them even have a deal where you put like $5 in, and you might get 6 or 8 of the crushed pennies. So you get all the designs if that's what you want. It's cool to see the times go down. This one has gone from 55 minutes to 45 minutes, so the time has gone down a little bit, which is super awesome. Less time to wait means more rides. The theming of these rides are so much better than going to a place like Six Flags. Montu didn't really have much going on, but this one does. I remember going on this one. Cool ride, I just hate things that spin. That's my only problem. This is the only ride where I've seen the line queue actually have a snake. I don't know what kind of snake that is. I think it's a python maybe. Maybe a bone constrictor, but there's an actual real snake. Oh, it is a python, I was right. It's a python. Crazy.
I showered them with blessings, but the people were consumed by greed, seeking more, ever more. And now, human greed has returned to this barren land, and the Snake King shall reign once more.
Very well themed ride. Line queue went quick. They have entertainment in there. You have the python, of course, and you also had that cool 3D, whatever that wall show was. That was awesome. We ate lunch about an hour ago. This is gonna suck. Hopefully my lunch doesn't come up. I don't like spinning things. This is made by Mock Rides. Oh, I think the year was 2006. Top speed 40 miles an hour. But the cool thing is, this has a cool element right at the beginning.
The darkness awakens my power.
Oh, wait, that's the end of the track. What happens now? Can't go that way. Can't go that way. I guess we're gonna go that way.
Cobra's curse. You are mine for all.
Oh boy. Whoa! thank God that's the end. Oh no! It's going backwards. Who are these people? And why are they in front of us? Okay, that wasn't too terrible. Not a lot of spinning on this one. I guess we had good weight distribution. Oh man, they must have put that thing on low spin mode for me because we didn't spin too much. The first time I went on this 4 years ago, this thing was spinning like crazy, man. Very cool, unique ride. I haven't been on anything else like this. This is made by Mock Rides, and I was right, it opened up in 2016. Very, very fun ride. Oh, they have no idea what they're in for yet. I can't believe how wet we got on this ride. You don't get wet. I just made that up. I don't think they believe me though. All right, hopefully we got good GoPro video to show you guys. If it was good, it will be in the video. Oh, an exit through the gift shop, one of the old school. Oh, flamingo. Hope you guys are enjoying the video so far. So far, we've done Cheetah Hunt, Cobra's Curse, and Montu. So stay tuned for video number 2. I hope you guys are enjoying this. If you are, like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.